In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. This integration can be incredibly useful, whether you're managing projects, tracking issues, or syncing documentation. By the end of this video, you'll have your Notion workspace perfectly synced with your GitHub activities. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to Notion. Make sure you're logged into your Notion account and ready to navigate through your workspace. Once you're there, find the specific space that you want to connect with GitHub. It may be tied to your projects or your own personal space. It's entirely up to you. Next, within your chosen Notion space, you'll find a tab labeled Settings. Click on this to open up the various options available for customization. This menu is where you usually adjust how things work and look in your Notion. As you click Settings, don't worry about exploring because this won't change anything unless you confirm modifications. Within the Settings menu, look for the Connections section. Clicking on Connections allows Notion to link with other platforms and tools you might find helpful. Scroll down until you find GitHub in the list of available connections. GitHub will help you create a seamless link between your Notion space and your GitHub repository. When you find the GitHub option, click on it. This action might prompt you to sign in or confirm your connection. Once confirmed, you should see Notion asking you to add this connection to your workspace. So go ahead and click on Add for Workspace. This step ensures that the integration is specifically linked to your chosen space in Notion. Now that GitHub is connected, it's time to finalize the integration. This requires logging into your GitHub account. You'll see the option to continue with Google, which is often a straightforward way to log in quickly without typing out your credentials again. Once you click this option, choose the correct Google account associated with your GitHub profile. After confirming the email account, you may have to grant Notion permission to access certain data from GitHub. Don't worry, this doesn't mean all your data. Instead, it gives Notion the ability to read and sync information pertinent to your projects and issues. Once you provide these permissions, you will see an Install button. Click the Install button to finish setting up the integration. This action will link the Notion workspace to your GitHub account, allowing seamless syncing of information between your projects and repositories. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Notion with GitHub. That's all there is to it. Feel free to check your Notion space and notice the new possibilities that come with this integration. This connectivity will enhance your workflow by bridging project management and coding tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this integration helps streamline your work processes. Be sure to reach out in the comments for any questions or further clarification, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you in the next video.